Assalam-o-alikum, welcome back to another new video. Let's start today's video immediately. So here on my computer screen, as you can see in my computer, internet is not working here. But in my other devices, internet is working very well. As you can see in my Google Chrome, internet is not working here, and Facebook is not working, YouTube is also not working here, and nothing is working here through internet. Okay, so what can I do now? I have to open start menu and search for network reset, and then open the network reset setting, and then here I have to click on reset now, and then click on yes, and the pop-up is showing that your computer will shut down in 5 minutes. So you have to close and restart by yourself to save that 5 minutes. Okay, and then click on restart. After restart, the problem will be solved, and as you can see, it is asking my Wi-Fi password, and enter your Wi-Fi password again and click on next, and you will be connected very well. If you are blocked from your Wi-Fi router, then internet will not work. So make sure your router is working well. Internet router is working well, so it will work. If the problem is in your computer, then it will be solved, and if the problem is in your router, then it will not be solved. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.